I'm in an old Audi D2 S8. Next to me is an Audi S3, and next to that is an Audi A8 50 TDI. Now we can have a drag race. So I've got a 4.2 litre V8 with 340 horsepower. That S3 has a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with 310 horsepower, and the A8 has a 3 litre V6 diesel with 286 horsepower. It's going to be interesting. We've all got automatic gearboxes, though only the S3 has launch control. The other two, we're going to hold them on the brake and see what happens. Now before we do, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also check us out on Instagram at carwow, and my personal Instagram channel is at mattwatsoncar, so log on to that as well. Right, let's do this. Old versus new. Can this old performance car beat a diesel and a hot hatch? Yes! Oh no. Come on, beat the blooming diesel. Come on, V8, come on! Oh, that diesel's pulling. That S3's just smashed everyone. That's the end of that. Oh, the brakes, yes, they are there, sort of. This was such a fast car back in the day. I remember seeing it in the film Running. It was just epic, super quick. And I suppose in 2001, this was fast, but not no more. Not no more. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Audi S3 did the standing quarter mile in 13.2 seconds. The A8 diesel took 13.6 seconds, and the old S8 took 13.9 seconds. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour in third gear. All cars are locked in manual mode. I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this picks up good because it's naturally aspirated, but the turbocharged car is now going. Come on, beat the diesel. I've got more revs than the diesel. Rev it right out to 7,000. That's enough of that. Oh, it's so close between me and the A8. But that S3 just powers on through. It is absolutely insane. This has 420 Newton meters of torque. That diesel A8 has 600 Newton meters, and that little S3, it may only have 380 Newton meters of torque, but it's lighter and it just went. Final challenge, we're gonna have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop. This weighs 1.7 tons, little S3, that weighs 1.5 tons, and the A8 is almost 2 tons, so I think it might lose. Or maybe this will because of its older brakes. Let's find out. Here comes the cone. Come on, S8, you old girl. Yeah, I think that was just pure physics, that was, and age. So A8 did all right, actually. Very close to the S3. This poor old dear. Older brakes, older driver as well, so worse reactions probably. I'm gonna have to say that this car has probably lost all 3 challenges. So this hero has been somewhat humbled.